the story of one man's plan to plug Eau Claire with the latest and hottest in virtual technology.
We've got 7 GoPros here. We're seeing a very rapid increase in virtual tour technology.
This is a story about a man, a plan, and the technology he has to play with today. This is a toy story.
It really started in real estate, and it's done a fantastic job of helping home sellers showcase it. It gives a great first impression. Most home buyers are viewing it online, but we've really started to see the 360s advance into local retail, hotels, restaurants, and where we're really starting to see some growth is in neighborhoods, community tours, public spaces.
Once the video is complete, anyone can stand in the middle of shifted space and enjoy the view.
Those river views are breathtaking.
Eau Claire or even your favorite city from anywhere around the globe. Well, now you can.
It's all part of a virtual tourism movement. WEAU's Noelle Anderson is here now with more. Noelle?
Hi, Bob and Nikki. Over the past several years, the company Tour Eau Claire has been working to let people experience the beauty of the Chippewa Valley right at their fingertips. It's all part of a tourism movement that you can virtually take anywhere. It's a virtual movement that allows you to experience beauty and scenery through a whole new scope.
Virtual tourism is utilizing technology to help connect people from anywhere in the world to local places.
Jonathan Luthi, creator of Tour Eau Claire, has been working for the past few years to make the beauty of the Chippewa Valley accessible to nearly anyone, anywhere. Using a unique 360-degree camera lens, Luthi is able to capture stunning views from every angle.
People can now access on their smartphones. Really a neat way to connect and maybe entice potential visitors to see what we have to offer.
It's 4:06. You're listening to Central Time on the Ideas Network of Wisconsin Public Radio. Today, you can do more and more things without ever leaving the comfort of your own home. You can pretty much buy anything. You can work from home. You can meet with people across the globe, and the list goes on.
Well, how about going on an adventure, like a bike ride online? Might sound counterintuitive, but Eau Claire-based adventurer Jonathan Luthi is setting out to film his bike ride of the entire Chippewa Valley so anyone can explore it from anywhere.
Filming trips through nature has actually become popular, with videographers filming hours of footage from boats, from trains, and helicopters. Jonathan has actually previously filmed his kayak trip from Eau Claire to New Orleans. He's the founder and owner of SpinVision, an interactive virtual marketing company. Jonathan, welcome to Central Time.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Well, where did this idea come from of filming the entire Chippewa Valley?
Well, it started in real estate, but going back to that Mississippi trip, that's what really opened up my eyes to the possibilities of virtual tourism.
Who do you think is going to watch this thing and benefit the most?
You know, one of the neatest things was shortly after publishing the entire 90-minute segment that we've currently got, I was contacted by an elderly woman who just wanted to reach out and thank me for the opportunity because it was an adventure she couldn't do on her own.
Did you foresee that you might be getting people like that who couldn't get out of the house anymore?
You know, not at first, but as this company has grown, we started to help a number of different businesses, and one of them is a local assisted living home. And I was talking with their activities director, thinking outside of the box, and we came up with some neat ideas on how we could help their residents take virtual day trips.
One Eau Claire man is capturing the city and sharing it for the world to see. Jesse Yang shows us his 3-year project and how anyone can tour Eau Claire from the comfort of their couch.
It's local tours that can be viewed by virtually anybody worldwide. If I could just help locals discover some of the great places we have here in the community, it would help them enjoy the area more and possibly even help other local businesses gain some new customers for life.
Reporting for Eau Claire Zone News 18, I'm Jesse Yang.
Welcome to the Family Birth Center at Mayo Clinic Health System in Albert Lea and Austin, located on our Austin, Minnesota campus. We'd like to show you how our hospital offers a premier birth experience in the Albert Lea, Austin, and surrounding area.